Hey guys, this is HP 8924C mobile test set. Um, it's originally designed for CDMA, however, CDMA is not as popular as it once was. However, there's quite a few nifty little features that this unit can still do. Go ahead and go in the config. Here's the firmware version. Just like it's 8.02. Let's see, but I can run a few different tests just to show that it is functioning. It does pass all the self-check tests. So let's see if I can do a TX test, and I'm gonna go ahead and tune to a local radio station. So let's do that. I am going to just plug in an antenna, do a TX test, and let's do this. The RF, I'm going to change this to frequency. And let's go ahead and tune to a station here, 101.9, and so there's that. I do need to change the IF. I'll turn the volume down. Change the IF filter to 230, and I just have a kind of a makeshift antenna, but oops, sorry. Grab this. So as you can see, it's working. Tuned to a radio station. The other thing I did do, let me turn this down. This is your scope. And then the other thing I did do is the spectrum analyzer. I've got a signal generator here, and let me plug this in. It's running at 825. I think it's at negative 28 dBm. I'll plug this in here and set the center frequency at that. Oops, sorry, that's not center frequency 285 megahertz. So there's your one thing I don't know is how well this guy is calibrated, but it looks like it's off slightly. Our span here is 0.2 megahertz. Let me reduce the reference level a little bit, negative 30. So there's that. So it's definitely showing up there. So those are the few things I know. It also has some interesting features as a tracking generator. Maybe I'll make another video for that. But as you can see, it seems like it's working. I don't know how well it's calibrated. This came out of a working lab, but it looks like the last calibration was done in '02. I don't know if there's any more recent ones done to it. So it does. The max power is the 3 watt. So I know there's higher ones out in the market. I think there's a mod that you can do to raise that, but obviously you can use attenuators to increase that. So anyway, thanks for watching.